Hello students, I'm going to give you a brief 2 to 3 minute overview of how to navigate the Engineering 100 class on Canvas. So hopefully by now you're logged into Canvas and you have clicked on the class that you've registered for, which is Engineering 100, and if you do so, you'll come to this home page here. So when the class begins, this name would actually reflect Engineering 100, and you will see this image, and that is your welcome image. So if you scroll down this page, you'll see a printable version of the syllabus and my introductory letter here, welcome you to this class. So you can start, or you should start by just scrolling through the different content that is shown out here. For example, getting to know your instructor, how you're also going to know your classmates before we start the class, and obviously getting familiar with this Canvas course site. In addition, you can learn about what we're going to learn in this class, how you're going to be graded, the course lessons, and ways to contact me. So outside of that, two main things I want to get across are that on the left side is the most important link, one that you will use quite often, which is the modules. And on the right side here, you can see that there is a to-do list, and that tells you what's coming up and when it is due. For example, getting started with class, a video assignment is due on June 15th, etc. Okay. So let's go and see what the modules are about. So the module is going to be the main way in which I will get across to you all the information in this class. It is laid out in a sequential manner, beginning with the content for week 0, and followed by week 1, which is the first day we will meet in class, which is June 15th, week 2, week 3, and so on. Right. We'll have a few more models here to reflect all 6 weeks of class. The unit A here is a general information unit, and you can click that occasionally to see, especially when you need help with how to use Canvas, how to use Zoom, and things like that, including how to navigate this course, which is this video that you have going on right now, which will be inside this link here. Okay. Now if you click on week 0, you'll see the content laid out, and these are called Canvas pages. So each page provides you a little bit of information. For example, the course syllabus. You can start by looking at my welcome letter that gives you introduction about me and about the course itself, and so on. Okay. The last bit of information is that everything you need to know in terms of activities is going to appear here. For example, the assignments, the syllabus, and the course introduction. Right? And when you click on each one of these, you will also figure out how they're going to be graded based on the different outcomes that we are going to assess. And these outcomes relate to developing content knowledge, skills and practices, and habits of learning. Okay. So with that, I'm going to end this video, and I hope this is sufficient for you to get started. Thank you.